I don't think that I will do that. I can't believe I have done this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Seja. So as you all know that I have started 21 days challenge on my YouTube channel. So the challenge is about waking up early in the morning, doing my all morning routines, and going to office. So in these time schedule, I haven't take any single leave between these scenario, and I was not so much confident that I would be able to follow this challenge streak, because if you are doing any type of challenge and any consistent video or any of the tasks which you are doing consistently, then there might be some possibility that one day or any other day you would just skip that. But no, I have continuously followed this 21-day challenge, and I am very grateful and very happy to announce that I have successfully completed this 21 days challenge. So today in this video I will tell you that what are the benefits and what are the ways which you can apply in your life to just complete and be consistent in your daily life, whatever routine you are following. If you are a student, if you are an office person, if you are doing any of the work, then consistency is very important in today's life. Consistency is equal to reaching your goal, whatever goal you might have. If you want to reach till that goal, you have to be consistent, and for consistency there are a lot of struggles which we all are facing to be consistent in any of the thing. It might be in our work, in our study, in our daily routine, in our office life, in our work life. So consistency is the important key, and the one famous quote is that consistency is the key to success. So this is all about consistency. So let me tell you that how I think to start 21-day challenge video. So one day I was just scrolling down any of the short, and I see that people are making 21 days challenge or 100 days challenge, 1000 day challenge, 10,000 day challenge, or any of the challenge they are following. But as you all know that I have made this YouTube channel to just capture my daily memory. I'm not a kind of person who is making this video for views. I know that views, likes, they all are, for me they are like a motivation. If someone is liking my video, then it I am very grateful for it. If someone is only viewing my video, then I am also very grateful for it. And if any of the person has subscribed my channel and not subscribed my channel, then both the scenario I am truly grateful for them, because if they are spending 1 minute or 2 minute on my channel, should get some knowledge or something out of my video. Because if my video is not beneficial for them, then why they will watch that? So just coming back to my point that where when I saw that people are making this challenge video, and as you all know that I am just repeating it, that I have made this channel to just capture my memories. So I thought that nowadays I'm not able to wake up early in the morning. Sometime I wake up 6 a.m., but sometime it's around 8:30 or 7:30. So what I have decided that I will make a 21-day challenge video, because daily tasks need 21 days to get converted into habit. So I thought that if I will start 21-day challenge, so I will wake up early in the morning, not at 6 but 6:30 or maybe 7. So this is the main motive or main idea behind making this video, and this idea came true. I am very strong, very confident that I am waking up early in the morning at 6 a.m. every day. Not 6 a.m. but 6:30 around. I just wake up and I just pack up all my bed work, and then I go and follow my morning routine. This challenge made me to wake up early in the morning, and I am doing it. Now coming to the second part, which is consistency. Consistency helped me out in this when I have just crossed 4 to 5 days. On first day, second day, it was very common for me to just make video. But when it it crossed 4 days or 5 days, then it got into my habit that I have to wake up early in the morning and I have to shoot that. So I cannot brief it in words, but from my inside it is coming that, Sejal, you have to wake up early in the morning and you have to just make a shoot and make a video of your daily routine. So this is the motivation or consistency behind it that helped me to just go far beyond my expectations. Now coming to the third part, which is most important, that is I have not taken a single leave behind or between these time lapse. So this is the most important part for me, because sometimes there are a lot of things happen. Also I got a little bit hurt in my ankle due to some due to some little accident. So but then too I have go to office without taking any of the, I have taken medicine. I had a high fever, then too I went to office. So these are the things that help me keep motivated toward my 21 days challenge. Just keep the memory, just save the memory, and seeing that memory in the next one would be a very very much pleasure for me. So now moving towards, I will follow this 21 days challenge, but in my upcoming videos you will see a different forms of 21 days challenge. Maybe it could be any type of daily vlog, full day vlog, my office vlog, any of the food vlog, any kind of thing that could be happen in my upcoming videos. So if you want to wake up early in the morning, you want to follow some of the habit but they are not able to follow that, then this 21 day challenge must be valuable for you. So just follow it and let me know in the comment section that what are your views, your ideas in this. If you have also followed that, there are most of the people who are starting their challenge days, but at the meantime they just stop doing that. So if you face any of the issue in doing that, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply on that. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up or comment your beautiful wishes on the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.